Customers first, incredible quality, and affordable to all. At CVF Racing, we've been guided by those three principles since we first started doing business in 2009. And they've enabled us to become what is today the fastest growing provider of premium brackets, pulleys, and engine accessories, and one of the world's most complete selections of serpentine and V-belt kits, all of which are backed by an industry-leading lifetime warranty and the best-in-class customer service. Many CVF customers have a hard time deciding what finish options to choose, considering the aesthetics of the build, performance, and maintenance benefits along with fitting into their budget. As with a good paint job, the prep work determines the end quality. So after the parts are machined, we put them through a light polishing process that removes minor marks and produces a fine luster that accepts paint, powder coat, and anodizing well. Polished aluminum is the most common and most affordable of our finishes. C3 is a finish offered as an add-on option for all Wraptor Serpentine Systems. This unique coating is specially formulated for CVF by thin film ceramic coating industry leader Cerakote. It outperforms clear powder coat in terms of scratch and chemical resistance, oxidization, and UV stability, all while being super thin and not affecting tolerances. C3 preserves the true look of aluminum while protecting against oxidization and dulling, making it as close to maintenance-free as you can get.
What differentiates our coatings from the competitors is instead of a traditional powder coat, we use either an anodize or ceramic coating. Both of them are thinner coatings and don't affect the tolerances of the parts so that you can get a tighter tolerance fit. They are also more durable and harder finishes than a traditional powder coat.
You've seen black as a dull finish on steel pulleys and brackets, but we can make it really stand out with our stealth black bright dip anodized finish. Unlike plating, anodizing leaves no deposits on the surface of the part and creates a consistent protective satin finish. Not only does the anodizing process provide a rich, vibrant color and depth to the part, providing great aesthetics, it also provides protection against corrosion and wear and improves heat dissipation, resulting in longer pulley and belt life. Black Diamond is our newest option. We start with our stealth black finish and machine away some of the anodized material from the selected edges of the brackets and pulleys to create highlights of brilliant polished aluminum. This contrast of polished aluminum and satin black makes these pieces truly stand out from the others. At CVF Racing, we pride ourselves on delivering customer service that is nothing short of legendary. If you ever have an issue with one of our products, we'll bend over backwards to make sure that you're satisfied.